The fall season is here, which means you guys or girls are either doing a full renovation and overseeding or just trying to recover from that incredible heat wave we had this summer. Now, chances are you're going to be putting down one or more applications of fertilizer this fall, depending on what you're doing. And chances are that fertilizer is going to contain a high concentrate of nitrogen, which is really going to help your grass grow. Unfortunately, most of you guys are not checking your pH levels at this time of year, which means you're not getting the full potential of that fertilizer that you're putting down. If your pH isn't in the right range, those nutrients are going to get locked in the soil, and your lawn's not going to be able to take up them nutrients and use them the way that you intend. The easiest way to check your soil's pH is by using a soil pH meter like this, or by just doing a soil test, both of which I've created videos for in the past. In most cases, the easiest way to adjust your soil's pH is simply by putting down an application of lime. So if you want to make sure you're taking full advantage of that expensive fertilizer you're putting down, make sure you check your soil's pH, get it in the right range.